What's up Y2, this is your boy DJY and I'm back with another episode. In today's video I want to show you legendary Rakim linked up with Curtis and Jackson last night in New York club. Checks out. Bro, you know, New York City have few kings, but Rakim and Curtis are definitely one of them. Period. Guys, before I will finish the video, I want to ask you a question of the day. Please guys, honestly tell me who is your all-time favorite New York rapper. Just tell me in comment section and let's discuss about this topic. So guys, it was all. If you like our video, don't forget to subscribe YTV, get notification bells, and visit tvy.com. Thanks for watching, have a nice day, God bless you. Peace.
What up, it's Mr. X to the Z Exhibit Y2B. Just keep it going.